The moonlight shine, but still it spills on velvet strands so deep it drills. Your midnight crown, a whispered storm, in shadows draped where dreams are born. So fall like softly sighs, the darkest they close the skies. Your silent song, it pulls my soul. In your abyss, I find me whole. The wind it kneels around your face, a mystery carved in time and space. Each strand ignites a secret spark. Your kingdom rules the endless dark. Hold me closer in your hue. Colors fade, but never you. Whispered truths in twilight stone. Your darkness feels like coming home. Like softly sighs, the dark aesthetic close the skies. Your silent song pulls